When Reitnour introduced the first totally bolted aluminum flatbed trailer in 1982, it was an innovation that changed an entire industry. Today, Reitnour continues to revolutionize the industry, evolving to meet the changing needs of our customers. As a result, Reitnour is the design of choice and the leading manufacturer of aluminum flatbed trailers in the country. And nothing works as hard as a Reitnour.
A lot of companies worry about the competition. We do not worry about the competition. We worry about the customer. We don't care what the competition's doing, we want to know what the customer needs.
Reitnour trailers are designed and built in our 22-acre facility with more than 140,000 square feet of manufacturing under roof. We employ more than 220 people, professional craftsmen and support people, whose commitment to quality is the heart of our success. From beginning to end, the main manufacturing line is some 200 yards long.
Coming to the new building, our sub-assemblies, which used to be spread out all throughout the plant, we were able to put them all in one area, which has been much more efficient for us. Breaks everything apart that the guys could work in stations spread out. A lot more room to do the job. Right now our trailers are built by hand, by people.
Because Reitnour trailers use a totally bolted construction, engineering and precision are major factors. Crossmembers, outriggers, and other components must be precision machined to very tight tolerances using CNC machines and presses that punch, drill, and machine the parts so that they mate properly during assembly. Like many manufacturing operations, raw materials come in at one end of the building and finished trailers go out at the other end. The process begins with the main rail extrusions. The main rail on a Reitnour is comprised of two precisely stamped components. The top rails are punched in a press using tooling specifically designed and built by Reitnour. The feeder that advances the material through the press at precise intervals was also built and designed in-house. The bottom rails are then cut and bent using technology developed by Reitnour that enables the front transition to be formed without splicing or welding, resulting in a stronger gooseneck. This same process is then used to fabricate the side rails and floor. The top and bottom rails are then hydraulically formed, aligned, and assembled into our two-piece main beam. A custom drilling machine, designed by Reitnour, is then used to drill the main rails. The upper and lower beams are bolted in a neutral axis, where stresses are minimal. Solid one-piece crossmembers are designed with an offset web and a unique reinforced inner extrusion that adds reinforcement between the main beams. Crossmembers are punched in our custom tooling and then slotted into the main rail, forming the skeleton of the trailer. The crossmembers are bolted to the flange extruded into the top beam instead of the web section. This reduces the chance of web cracks forming. The deck on a Reitnour is an innovative snap-in floor that enables the floor to become part of the main beam, resulting in 17% more strength without any weight gain. The floor is also textured, so slipping on the deck is greatly reduced. A variety of nailer tie-down options are available, depending upon the load securing needs of a customer. The side rails are then bolted onto the crossmembers. The stake pockets are not only welded to the side rails, but they also snap into slots, providing a stronger pocket-to-side rail interface. Three-piece floating outriggers that minimize the stress on the main beams are designed so only downward forces are neutralized and upward forces are allowed to dissipate stress. The suspensions are then bolted and clamped to the main beams.
It is common knowledge that holes in the bottom flange of a beam create stress risers. So to overcome this, we developed the first clamp-on suspension box that allows us to fasten any suspension without bolting through the flange.
The left and right suspension hangers are tied together, therefore reducing the forces that are transferred into the main beams. Standard suspensions are Hendrickson in-tracks, but other options are available. Multi-axle configurations come in 3, 4, 7, and 8-axle configurations, as well as Tri-9 and Quad-9 designs, and all combinations are available with various assortments of lift axles and steerable axles. Removable tie-downs come in various lengths and cutouts, and optional log pockets enable use of heavy-duty stakes to secure logs. Patented coil blocks offer more portability and ease of storage, but still offer the locked-in safety of larger solid coil racks. And two-piece load levelers for drop decks offer lighter weight handling and placement anywhere along the trailer deck. All Reitnour trailers have their steel suspensions and fifth wheel plates sandblasted, primed, and powder-coated for corrosion protection. The suspensions and fifth wheel plates are bolted onto the aluminum main beams to not only reduce stresses, but to keep corrosion out. It's another Reitnour innovation that comes standard on every trailer. The quilted, polished rear profile of Reitnour trailers is a signature item, incorporating suggestions made by people who use our trailers every day. The corners are strong. The light panels are protected top and bottom. The rear bumper is one piece and fully enclosed. And horizontal bumpers were added for those dock plates pushed up by the rear of the trailer. And, of course, light panels and lower cover panels are made from polished stainless steel to keep your trailer looking good without having to repolish. And the signature recessed lights provide the customized look you expect from a Reitnour. Reitnour trailers also feature advanced wiring and lighting systems. All wiring harnesses connected are Packard type, the finest and most corrosion resistant in the industry. Along the entire manufacturing line, there are more than 15 individual quality inspections at every level of detail for every trailer we produce. As a result, our manufacturing quality is second to none. An important note: a major concern of our customers is the maintenance and repair of their trailers. Nearly every aluminum component is precision punched for easy and inexpensive replacement. Accidents will always happen. Fortunately, the advanced engineering and attention to detail that makes a Reitnour trailer strong, durable, and reliable also makes it inexpensive to maintain and repair. We have significantly expanded our spare parts stocking program so that we can ship most repair components overnight if necessary.
A lot of companies preach customer service. We build our reputation on it. Every part on a Reitnour trailer is precision engineered for a reason.
If you do have an issue out there, our dealerships are top-notch and will get you handled quickly and professionally and get you back out on the road where it matters.
From the beginning, in 1982, Reitnour has set the standard by which all other trailers are measured. Stronger, lighter trailers built Reitnour tough. And over millions and millions of miles of service, the Reitnour promise has been a simple one: make someone's job easier by building the best aluminum flatbed trailers available. Reitnour delivers on that promise, day in and day out, with a rock-solid design, industry-leading innovation, and a customer commitment that is legendary in the industry. That's why nothing works as hard as a Reitnour.